So, what I have here today is the Antisocial Social Club Fragment Design collab hoodie. I've already taken it out of the bag. It's not bad. So the hoodie comes in 3 colors, yellow, pink, and blue. I have the blue one. The only difference is the color of the Fragment logo. The Antisocial Social Club text is always white. I bought size L, and it should fit me if it's true to size, so it should fit me. On the back, it's just the same design, except larger. The print is a nice thick material. Despite the hoodie being very thin, the print is actually pretty thick, and it doesn't look like it would go away after just a couple washes. I am still going to wash it inside out, as you should do with most design hoodies, most graphic design hoodies, just to protect the print from being damaged. The hoodie blank is your standard ASSC hoodie, Independent Trading Co. So if you've had a hoodie before, you know it's the same quality. It's not great, but not bad. Pretty thin, but that means it would be pretty good for the summer. And to be honest, I don't have much of a problem with the quality of this hoodie. Like, it's just thin, but it's still not bad. So here is me wearing the hoodie. I am 5'10", and it fits me pretty perfectly. Not too tight, but not too loose either. And yeah, that's basically it. Nothing much else to review about with a hoodie. It's a hoodie. I hope you enjoyed, and see ya.